Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy pickled cucumbers. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of crisp pickling cucumbers, washed thoroughly and sliced to your preference, whether spears or rounds. Next, prepare your aromatic spices, such as 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Finally, ensure your 2 1-quart canning jars and lids are completely sterilized. This is a crucial step for safe and delicious pickling. Now, let's create that flavorful, spicy brine. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns for added depth. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until all the salt and sugar have fully dissolved. This hot brine is essential for infusing your cucumbers with incredible taste. With your brine ready, it's time to pack those jars. First, divide your minced garlic and red pepper flakes evenly between the bottoms of your 2 sterilized jars. Then, tightly pack the cucumber slices into each jar, leaving approximately 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Seal the jars with their lids and rings, then process them in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure proper sealing and preservation. After processing, carefully remove your jars from the water bath and allow them to cool completely on a counter for 24 hours without disturbance. Once cooled, check that the lids have sealed properly. A sealed lid will be concave and not flex when pressed. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark pantry for several months. Once opened, refrigerate your delicious spicy pickled cucumbers and enjoy them within 2 to 3 weeks. They're perfect as a snack or a zesty side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.